Sputtering down Main Street, it's a long, lonesome road. Smoke out my tailpipe, there's smoke out my nose. The radio is blasting old-time rock and roll, and these miles are my passion, etched in my soul. She's a 60 Apache, and her paint's a bit trashy. Tried to out-sing the rumble, but my voice just got scratchy. She's rattling apart, and sometimes she don't start. Still rambles and gambles, trails of dust in the dark. Well, her synchros are wiped, I'll just grind all her gears. It's like a mop in a bucket, and been that way for years. If it ain't one thing, it's another, she's bound to break down. When she dies, then I'll fix her and get the fuck out of this damn town. Well, this heart beats on concrete like a rock ought to be. And we got tonight rolling way out of sight, and I'm feeling like maybe I'm free. I'm just dreaming of a three-way, the road, Bob Seger and me. No one's here with me, so I'll crank up my tunes and just drive and reprise, and I won't be home soon. Is this the right time where I'm supposed to be? It could be 2020 and 1963. She got stuck in the snow and then caught in a flood. We run out of gas, then got stuck in the mud. I'll be rolling up Main Street sooner or later, it seems. We all get turned around on the road to our dreams. And her windshield is cracked where the road disappears, and she tops out at 50. She's a handful to steer. If it ain't one thing, it's another. She's bound to break down. When she dies, then I'll fix her and get the fuck out of this damn town. But this heart beats on concrete like a rock ought to be. And we got tonight rolling way out of sight, and I'm feeling like maybe I'm free. I'm just dreaming of a three-way, the road, Bob Seger and me. But the radio is blasting old-time rock and roll, and the miles come easy when you're high on the road. But I'm driving tonight by the light of the moon, and when I get where I'm going, I'll be headed home to you. Yeah, well, this heart beats on concrete like a rock ought to be. And we got tonight rolling way out of sight, and I'm feeling like I'm finally free. I'm just dreaming of a three-way, the road, Bob Seger and me. Just dreaming of a three-way, the road, Bob Seger.